Hello everyone, welcome to this month's Reef Health Update. So globally, sea surface temperatures are still well above average across much of the planet. The reality of that is actually we're still driving the mass global coral bleaching event that's affected something like 70 countries around the world over the last couple of years. Fortunately, within the Great Barrier Reef region at the moment, we're still in cooler temperatures as a result of winter and now moving into spring. And as a result, even though temperatures are above average by about 0.6 degrees across much of the marine park, they're not at levels where you'd expect to see any impacts like coral bleaching. The longer term forecasts from the Bureau of Metrology are that the overarching driving conditions from the climate in terms of the El Niño southern oscillation is likely to remain neutral, both at the moment and through into the early summer months, and that we expect those conditions will mean that we will see above average temperatures over the next few months, and those will continue. We'll be watching these carefully because of course that's actually some of the precursor to what can be stress on many of the marine ecosystems that make up the Great Barrier Reef. We're continuing our work with our partners, including the Australian Institute of Marine Science and actually many of the science institutions, but of course actually the community, to understand what's going on the Great Barrier Reef through in-water surveys. Much of that work is actually done by the tourism industry, but also by our partners who actually deliver the Crown-of-thorns starfish control program, providing in-water surveys on reef health and also about any impacts that may be affecting the coral conditions. The information that's gathered is actually really important for driving management programs like the Crown-of-thorns starfish control work that actually goes on across the marine park, helping us to target those particular voracious coral predators so that we can actually look after the recovery of coral ecosystems and their resilience into the future. There's much work going on in that space all the way through the marine park, and you can learn more about that on our website. We're also gearing up for the next amazing phenomenon that happens on the reef in the October and November, December months, which is actually coral spawning. This is really important for the renewal of the reef. It's the point in time when corals produce their baby larvae, so the eggs, bundles of eggs and sperm that actually then fertilise on the sea surface in an amazing phenomenon that occurs on a few nights a year. That phenomenon that actually then drives the recovery of many of the reefs that may have been affected by other impact events. We'll be bringing you more information about what's happening in terms of coral spawning over the coming months, and I look forward to giving you some more details. Again, you can learn some more about that through our website. In the meantime, you can download the Eye on the Reef app, which is available through the various app stores, and actually learn about what's going on through our website. The Eye on the Reef app provides lots of information about what you see in the marine park. You can tell us what you see out in the marine park through it, and you can also learn about the really important rules that govern what you're allowed to do out in the marine park so we can keep this precious resource safe for future generations. Thanks for giving us your time, and I look forward to speaking to you again next month.